Here I have Huawei Y6 Prime, and let me show you how to insert here two Nano SIM cards and micro SD cards. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power. Let's choose here power off and touch power off just to confirm the operation. Then you need to find the slot to your cards. The slot should be located at the left edge of the device right here. Let's just simply remove this slot by using some kind of the special eject tool, or it could be simply the paper pin. Let's just press it right here. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device. Let me do it. Alright, here you can insert two Nano SIM cards and one micro SD. So let me start with Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put the first SIM card, let's put the second one right here. Alright, now we need to insert the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Alright, this is the properly prepared tray. Now let's put the whole thing into your device. Alright, let me just repair my card. Let's press it to the end and simply let's use the power key to turn back on the device and to check out if your cards are working properly. Alright, so here let me unlock the device. Let me also make my screen brighter. Alright. And here, as you can see, some new settings with your SIM card pops up. Let me tap no for now, choose settings here. Select here wireless and networks, right here. Choose here dual SIM settings, and as you can see both cards are working properly right here. Let's go back twice, and here let's choose storage. As you can see here, you can also use your SD card storage. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.